developers. IBM is hiring for the research intern role for the Gurgaon and Bengaluru location. Talking about the eligibility and qualification, bachelor degree is required, and the other skills, you have excellent coding skills in Python, including Python libraries like Panda, Py, strong grasp of DSA and problem solving, solid foundation in linear algebra, probability and statistics, hands-on experience with VS Code and Jupyter Notebook and GitHub also, AIML fundamentals, supervised, unsupervised learning, classification, regression, neural network, clustering, and other you can read here like knowledge of deep learning, TensorFlow, PyTorch. So these are the skills required, and also you can read here. Now apply for this IBM hiring. Apply link below in the description and comment for any details, and subscribe skilllayer for more job updates.